Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here with a layout for Allison Pennington. I'm working with the new collection called Conversations with Myself. This is a collab with Forever Joy. And so a couple of little details I wanted to share with you as I was creating the layout in Photoshop prior to printing. And so one thing that I've done was I pulled in a main photo, the triangle, not a main photo, the main paper, the triangle paper, and then sized it down to 11.5 square, and then filled in the border with a couple of the pattern papers from the collection. The reason I did this was to help repeat some of the colors that are going to be featured in the layout, but also it makes a really interesting little border around the layout and kind of frames everything. And then I did one main cluster with my photo, some mixed media from the collections, and the black and white twine. And the twine ends on the right hand side with the little cluster that's a little tag and a little heart trinket. And then there's a secondary smaller cluster with just a couple of printed elements. And also underneath it, some of the mixed media from the collection. So I love just sharing those little details with you before printing. And now you can see the pattern paper background after printing with the mixed media details, the pattern paper frame. And those just basically serve as the base or as the foundation for the layout. The photo that I'm using is from 2017, and it's actually a photo from one of my first In My Pocket classes that I created. And so the theme of the collection is Conversations with Myself. And so I sort of did a, what would I tell her if today me could speak to 2017 me. And so I'm going to jump right in. You can see some of the embellishments that I've printed out here. First, the smaller cluster. I'm just doing the Your Dreams circle bit with a little floral detail and one of the butterflies in the collection. And I love how the butterfly kind of takes off there, almost off of the edge of the layout, with the circle bit that says Your Dreams, and it's kind of taking off of the page. I'm not sure what that means. Not sure what that means yet. But at any rate, there was also the little plaid pattern paper that I'm putting behind the photo, and that's like a little paper bit in the collection, along with the little paper clip. And so that's a fun little detail there. I'm still loving office supply kind of details on my layout. And then the Your Hopes circle bit I'm going to add at the bottom of the journaling spot. For the journaling, I wrote, sometimes your dreams don't take you where you want to go, but dream them anyway. Take action where you can anyway. Learn anyway and do it anyway. And so I hope that speaks to you. I hope this layout inspires you today. I had a really nice time pulling this together and would love to inspire you more. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram and all the links down below. I'll have the product link down below as well. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.